I am going to get my look changed because my old one sucks and I almost look like Eric.
Hello, my name is Mackie Supper, and what can I do to you today?
Can you please change my look?
Okay, we will get right onto it.
Grounded forever.
Oh, there you get grounded. That's a ground. Why?
Hello, I am Sir Wolf the First, and this is Rose.
And we are both Sky's brothers and sisters.
Wow, your new look is awesome.
I agree with Benjamin Satagati.
Thank you, and remember to use this look in the future.